Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to replace a Chevy Equinox battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 12mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and of course, your new battery. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is completely off and parked on a level surface. Always wear protective gloves and eyewear to shield yourself from potential battery acid exposure. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's move on to disconnecting the old battery. Begin by locating your vehicle's battery, which is usually situated under the hood or sometimes in the trunk. Using your 12mm wrench, disconnect the negative terminal first. This is a critical safety step. Next, disconnect the positive terminal, being very careful to avoid any contact with metal components. Finally, remove any hold-down clamps or straps that are securing the battery in its tray. With the old battery disconnected, it's time for removal and new installation. Carefully lift out the old battery. Be aware that it can weigh over 30 pounds, so lift with your legs. Take a moment to thoroughly clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors with a wire brush to ensure good contact. Now, gently place your new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely and is properly aligned. Finally, secure the battery with its hold-down clamp to prevent any movement while driving. We're almost done. Now, connect the new battery, starting with the positive terminal first, and tighten it securely with your wrench. Next, connect the negative terminal, ensuring it's also snug and secure. For added longevity and protection against corrosion, apply a small amount of anti-corrosion grease to both terminals. Finally, start your vehicle to confirm that the new battery is functioning correctly and that all systems are operational. You've successfully replaced your Chevy Equinox battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.